Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel ZinoVision. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install LSPDFR for your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. With LSPDFR you have the ability to play as a cop, take callouts, get partners and much more. So this is going to be a step-by-step easy tutorial on how to get there. Before we get started, I would love for you all to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. Like I mentioned before, with LSPDFR, you're going to be a cop, you're going to play as a cop, you're going to get partners, you're going to do callouts and much more. So to make this work, we need to install some files. We need to download them first. In the description, there will be two links I will leave. Link number one is you need to click on it and accept to subscribe to my channel, because for link number two you need to join my Discord for the files. To join my Discord you need to be subscribed to the channel, so go to link number one and then link number two, accept them both. Okay, so let's hop over to my Discord server, shall we? So yeah, we're in the Discord server right now. As you can see, we do a lot of giveaways also, so stay there. And we also have a support page. As you can see, we answer rapidly fast, and we talk back and forth a lot to solve any problems. So for this tutorial we're going to go to the GTA resources section, and right here you'll have how to install LSPDFR. We'll have 4 links. Let's go over to these 4 links and download them. So yeah, these are the 4 links that we're going to be needing. Link number 1, we're just going to hit download LSPDFR 4.0.4.9 and hit download again and agree and download. And we're going to choose for the setup, not the manual install, and let it download the file. There you go. Then we're going to go to the simple trainer. With simple trainer you can spawn anything you want, teleport and much more, change the weather. So we're just going to hit download there. And then we need the native UI for scripts. We're going to go down here. All right, here latest 1.9.2. we're gonna hit download, and I'm gonna keep it. Keep anyways. It's all on your own risk, by the way, but you see I'm downloading it, so don't worry. 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸. By the way, if if this website is not working, hop over back to my Discord, because lately it's not working at all. Here is the file, as you can see. If the site is down, just download this file and you're good to go. So yeah, and it's the same version. So that was for the downloaded files. Now step number 2 is to go to our download folder and open our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. So let's do that. Okay folks, we're in our left side we have the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder, right side we have the downloaded files. So if we go back to my games folder, and here you'll see I have a bunch of Grand Theft Auto 5 folders. I keep them backed up. Whenever I download something, a new plugin, mod, etc., I copy them and paste them somewhere. And I also like to separate my folders, as you can see. Like this has NVE, Iron Man, Avengers, Shorts, LSPDFR, and the Dutch Police. So make a backup every now and then. I highly recommend it, because I've been so many times in the issue where I had to reinstall everything, so that's pretty annoying. So let's get back to our downloaded folders, and we can open up LSPDFR file. That's step number 1. So we're gonna let it load up, and we're gonna hit OK here, hit next, agree, next, install. Oh, you like my shirt, by the way, folks? Let me know what you think about it. Hit next here, show license, and wait for this. Hit accept. Do it for me. Okay, then we're gonna go to number 2, 𝐸𝐸𝐸. Just gonna extract all. Open it up. There will be a bin folder, 2 files. Just select the ones that I do, input and 𝐸𝐸𝐸, and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. And hit continue for administration rights. That's it. Now you can go back. Then we have the simple trainer. Right click on it and extract with WinRAR. I'm going to keep this an easy, quick tutorial. I'm not going to make it 12-15 minutes, so don't want to waste your guys' time. Then the trainer V, we have this file right here and this file right here. Just select them and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. There you have it, folks. And the last thing, we have the Rage Native UI. So we're going to right click and extract all. And this file needs to get in your, these two files needs to be in your scripts folder. That's this folder right here. If you don't have it, the scripts folder, you just make one. Okay. So I'm going to show you right here. We have a folder. We're making a folder in here. And you're going to name it exactly like I do, scripts with an S. C or SCI. Am I doing it wrong? Script. Yeah. SCR scripts. Where's the R? Yeah. RIPTS. I must be blind. Okay. You'll just have that folder right here. Okay. You can just make it here. Then you have the scripts folder. So we're going to drag and drop these two files that I've selected in the scripts folder. Hit continue. And that's it, folks. Okay, sorry, folks. I made a mistake here. It's the native UI that goes here, not the Rage native UI. So I'm just going to delete those two files. Just ignore what I said about making a folder. And we're going to select these two files again. And we're going to drag and drop it in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. So here is where it goes in, not in the scripts folder. So yeah, I also make mistakes, but yeah, I knew it right away when I saw the native UI. I was like, oh, wait a second, Rage native UI needs to be here. So, okay, then we have all four files. Just to be clear, this is what we're installing now is LSPDFR to be a cop. This is part one because you have so many possibilities. So I'll leave a link in the comment for part two, how you can install some plugins and callouts, which are the most important ones. So this one, we're just going to keep it short and simple. And right now it's also done. The next step for us is to start up a Rage plugin hook. This is how you're going to start up Grand Theft Auto from now on to play as a cop. Okay, you're not gonna do it how you usually do. So let's double click on it and see what happens. The first time it's possible you get an error, but that's totally fine. As you can see, some files has been blocked. We're gonna unblock these and let's see what pops up now. Okay, we have to run it as administrator. No, it's working. So here, the first thing we're going to change is we're going to change this 1 into a 6. We're going to go to plugins. Yeah, we're loading up. And you also want to back up your game version. Always do that. Whenever there's a new update for Grand Theft Auto 5, it will automatically update and you can't play this until they come with the update. Now, you doing this, you can always revert it back. Okay, so stay tuned for a tutorial on that. Also, how you can actually revert it back and play again. So we're done. We can save and launch. See if it works right away. All good so far. Oh, damn, time is already reaching 9 minutes almost. Let's make this quick. No need for updates. I just installed the update. There you have it. It's loading up. So let's skip this part for y'all. Okay, we're in the game, as you can see. So yeah, we installed some things here. We installed LSPDFR and we installed Simple Trainer. With F3, you can get the menu for Simple Trainer. Now you have all these options to teleport, spawn people, spawn cars, also change weather, whatever you want. Okay, just hop through it, test them out, see what you like. Okay, so we need to go over to the PD station for the first time to make this work. So let's go over the station right here, I guess. Oh, it's gonna be this one right here. We're gonna hit F3. We're gonna go to teleporting, and we're gonna go to teleport to waypoint right here. Okay, we're above. Oh, that wasn't supposed to. Oh, damn. Did that really happen? It really did happen. Epic fail, epic fail. But let's go inside. Hi. And let's go all the way to the lockdown rooms, and then we go here, and here you have a blue icon. We'll step on it and we'll hit right, and there you have it. Whoa, they fucked me up. Okay, we're gonna hit go on duty, and you're gonna memorizing the Mirandas. You need to create an LSPDFR character. So damn it, we're still gonna reach the 12 minutes. I was too slow, I'm sorry about that. So I'm just gonna hit accept right away for this one. And save and continue, but you can change whatever you want, okay? And then you go up, you select enter to use it. Then you can have your outfit, a police locker, and you can do all these things. So just check them out, and then we're gonna go to the police garage. And I'm just gonna select it, but here also you have a lot of options. Okay, as you can see, it is working. You're a cop now officially, and you can also ask backup and much more. So that's about it, folks. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will leave the link in the description for part 2. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.